Welcome back to your Lake Fork Guide. Hey guys, it is another foul weather day. It is raining cats and dogs. Will be for the next few days actually. And that's kind of the way it goes sometimes this time of year. So we're not going to get out on the water for you today. We can get out on the water, but we can't make no videos out of it. But we're not going to let even Mother Nature stop us from bringing you good content here on this channel. So today what I thought we would do is look back over the year of 2018 and let you guys take a look, walk down memory lane a little bit of our biggest 5 bass on this channel in 2018. So y'all stay tuned. Hey guys, my name's Billy Lawson. And I am your Lake Fork Guide. Goat Lake, Goat Fish, Goat Guide. Alright, first up we got a little guide trip action. When I was had some customers that wanted to make a video of their day. I explained to them, hey, if we're gonna make a video, I've got to fish till we get enough fish on camera at least. So I'm gonna be fishing hard in front of you. I may catch some. And then this happened. There you go, folks at home. I just front-ended my customers real bad right there. Tom, are you mad at me, sir? No. That's pretty cool to even watch them get caught like that, isn't it, bud? She gets a good ear scratch because they like it. They get back. Graham.
What? Thank you.
9-3. It's 9-3.
There you go.
All right. Big old 9-pounder. Look. If you don't believe in Lux rods, I literally just boat flipped a 9-pounder with that Lux rod. Just whipped it in here, didn't it, Graham?
It did. I didn't believe it. I got the net. We didn't use it.
You were going for that. I was like, watch out, watch out. 9 pounds, 3 ounces. Look, when that's the number 5 fish, you know you're in for a good video, so y'all keep watching. That was pretty awesome. Boat flipping, 9-pounders. How about that 6-cents Lux rods? By the way, 6centsfishing.com, linked in the description. If you want to go get some of those rods, be sure you punch in the code, your Lake Fork Guide, on the promo box on the checkout screen. Get that 10% discount on those rods, man. That makes for a really good deal. So check that out if you're interested. All right, next up is gonna be way back early February, like the first few days of February. We had a guides tournament where you get booked by customers and you fish with your customers against other guides on Lake Fork. You weigh all your fish in the boat so your slot fish count, and it's kind of MLF style. We get updates every hour, but it's only best 5 fish. It's not total cumulative like MLF does. We were fortunate enough that day. We got really close to winning. We had 30 pounds and 9 ounces. We were like less than half an ounce from winning the thing, but we did win big bass, and here she is.
Oh my God!
Oh God!
Oh shit!
Golly!
Yes!
Oh, her bite. 10 pounds, bro. That's gonna be a 10-pounder, son.
Good job, bro. That's 10. All day. She'll go 10, I think.
I was just lucky that my natural instincts were to pause. Hey there, GoPro. We got one that this might go 10. We're fixing to put it on the scale. This fish right here might be 10 pounds. We just need one more bite. We're fixing to win this tournament in the first hour, Jack. You know what I'm saying? 9 1/4.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God.
Let's
There you go, boys. Hopefully y'all can see that on GoPro. That's a 9 1/4 pounder right there. 9 pounds, 5 ounces. I need somebody to come back here and take a pic with me. Here, leave that alone. I'll dig that up. Come back here and help me with this.
Yep.
All right. One more look at that big girl camera. He's gonna let
on
her.
her.
Woo! We're gonna let that giant go, son.
There's our, what do we got now? A lot. Okay, there's 9.
14 plus 9, 23.
23.
On 4.
So
we
it's
need,
only
we need one more 9-pounder to make 30.
it's $7.50.
So big bass in that field with those guys fishing on that lake, something I'm definitely proud of. Feather in my cap. I feel very accomplished to have caught the biggest fish of the day against that group of guys on the hashtag Goat Lake. I mean, let's keep it real. All right, next up is my old buddy ZW. We just out for a filming day, having a good time, doing some sight fishing. I'm locked up looking at a bedfish. ZW just kind of pitches up to another light spot around the corner of this little grass line where these beds were at, and then this happened. I'm with you, my brother.
I'm not fooling.
I got it.
You got her, so I can let go
Look at what you got. Look at what we have done, folks. I'm talking about a stud, my brother. Holy cow, Jack. That's an 8+ easy. What it's all about, folks.
Oh my goodness.
Well, you always have. Look at the eyes on that fish.
Look at it. Look at the buck eyes on that sucker right there.
Look at that old girl. That is what Lake Fork is supposed to do. I mean, that's why everybody comes here from everywhere they come from. She's over there about to drop eggs. Look at her. She may have just dropped a lot of eggs. Look at her belly. See the blood coming out right there,
Let's
guys?
get some pictures and get her back.
Yeah, we need to get her back on the bed. Hold her up one time for this real quick. Hold her up good. Stud, my brother. All right, so we turned the camera off to get Zach a picture of this fish. And as we were looking at it, we realized it's longer than we thought. Put it on the board. This fish is 24.5 inches long. So now, when they're that fat and they're 24,
I mean, that's got to be 8.5 at least, huh?
it's 8+ for sure, maybe 9+. We don't know, so we're questioning how high it'll
I can't
go.
get over how wide it is, dude. It's just
so big and it's that long. It's got to have some. So we have a potential for a real special one here.
Oh
my God, dude, it's going.
What we got?
Hold on,
No
hold on.
way. What we got? What? What, double digit? Oh, dude, that's a 10.6. Oh my God, that is a 10.6. Look at that.
Bro.
That is a beast, dude. Give me this.
That's yours. That's yours.
I got a. Oh my God, that is a beast. That is a beast. Whoa, unbelievable.
You ain't ready, are you? Oh, come on, jump. Oh,
Dude, can you freaking believe that? 10.6 Goat Lake. Goat Lake. The first appearance of a double-digit fish in the top 5 at number 3. You know it's going to be a good one then. 10 pounds, 6 ounces, just kind of milling around in the spring, fishing nothing different. That was on a little 1/4 ounce Texas rig, baby brush hog. Probably nothing different than every one of you that's ever fished Lake Fork throws in the spring. But that just goes to show Lake Fork. I mean, she's a great, amazing fishery for big bass, the best there's ever been. And at any time something like that can happen, so there's your video evidence of that. All right, next up is going to be my new PB. I get asked all the time, Billy, what is your personal best when customers get in my boat? I've only caught 2 fish over 10 pounds. Now, I've put people on a lot of fish over 10 pounds, but I've only caught 2. You know, like the last boat we had before we got the old Dark Knight right here, we had old Red. Red had 8 double-digit fish in her in the time that I owned her. I only caught 1 of them, and here it is. Well, guys, sometimes when I'm fishing with customers and they want me to fish with them, I catch my new personal best right here. 25.5 inches long, 10 pounds, 6 ounces, post-spawn monster Lake Fork bass. She definitely gets an ear scratch. She even gets a little sugar. Boy, don't worry, honey. I'll kiss you too when I get home. Good night. That's a special day, folks. That is an absolute giant Lake Fork bass right there. Yeah, there she goes. Lake Fork. Y'all come see. Another 10 pound, 6 ounce, phenomenal fish. That was a new personal best for me. Special day. Great moment with, had a son in my boat and the father was in his boat following us around. It was a fun trip, man. These guys, I love the Gibsons. They're great customers, and old Doc was running the camera for me there, and that was a great day.
And the last one, guys, it's a special one. If you've been watching this channel, you've seen it, but I know you won't mind seeing it again. When I'm 85 years old, if I make it that far, whenever I decide to quit guiding, this will probably go down as the greatest memory of my entire career. I don't care if I catch a new state record, because I had a 13-year-old boy, young Mr. Brody, caught a 12-pound, 2-ounce bass, and that is just so rare to have a kid that young. Number one, get that bite, but then be able to handle it the way he did. Kudos to Brody. I couldn't have caught this fish any better than he did. He did a fantastic job handling this once-in-a-lifetime monster bass. So you guys take a look at it one more time right now. He's got him. Keep it up, keep it up. Keep your rod, dude. Keep your rod boat up. Keep your rod boat up, buddy. Keep your rod boat up. Yeah, he's got a big one. Watch it. Oh, keep that there.
I gotta get around.
Go. Keep that rod tip tight. Keep it tight.
Here, will you hold this and hold it there as it's running?
Yep.
Look at this. That's a 10-pounder, dude.
Oh my God.
That's a 10-pounder, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Keep your hand on the reel. Keep your hand on the reel. That might be bigger than a 10.
Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Woo! Holy cow, dude. Holy shit.
Did you get on that?
I
Tap the back. Is it rolling?
Oh, it's rolling,
Put it
dude.
down there.
Holy cow.
What is this thing?
Holy shit. Dude. Oh my God. Look at this.
Be like a 12-pounder.
Dude, look at this fish.
Yeah.
Give me, come here, man. Woo. Holy
Let me get a
cow.
picture of him real quick. Hold him on this side so the bait will be showing.
Holy cow.
Grab him tight. He's heavy. You got him? Hold him right there, just like that, bud.
Oh my God. Holy cow.
Hold him up the other side, please.
Oh,
So that bait's showing.
Holy cow, that's a giant.
All right, hold him up like on his belly. Okay? Just like that. Perfect. Just like that.
Holy cow.
Stay right there. Got him? All right, good deal. Dad, I'll send you all these pics, okay? All right, let me give her a drink and take good care of her. We'll
Holy,
get weight on her. Okay?
holy cow, dude. Holy shit. Holy.
Hey, let me tell you something, buddy. You're gonna have a hard time catching one bigger than this the rest of your life, dude.
Holy cow.
12 pounds, 2 ounces.
Oh my God, let me get in there. Holy cow.
12-2.
Holy cow.
Yeah, when I seen her head, I was like, dude, you done did something here.
Holy cow.
I don't think I deserve that.
You just caught a 12-pound fish. Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna let you get her. I got some good pictures of her with
Alright, can you take some pictures?
Here, come here. There you go.
Right there. Smile. Okay, give me a face.
All right.
Holy.
Release her?
Yep.
Mr. Brody with a 12-pound, 2-ounce monster. Let's let her go, buddy. Ease her back in there. Just hold it still and she'll kick. Just hold her still. She's trying to just hold her dead still.
PB over 8 pounds. My PB was
All right, she's
4
ready.
pounds.
She's kicking you.
Bye bye, girl.
Holy. Holy.
What about that, brother? My man. Hey, what about them Smash Tech swim baits? Dad, are you gonna buy any Smash Tech baits this week?
We're gonna get some Smash Tech swim baits. Brody, come here, man.
Holy cow, that is what it's all about. Yes. Mwah. Love you. That is what it's all about,
It
dude.
was an amazing moment just to be a part of. I feel so lucky to have been there to witness that. Thanks for everything y'all do. See you next time, right here on your Lake Fork Guide.